Hey guys, before to start, let me tell you how you can study through my YouTube channel. So if you go to this YouTube channel, educational.concepts, right? And if you click on the playlist, when you click on the playlist, you will see all the contents which has been uploaded till today, and it has been grouped based on particular topic. So based on your interest or based on your needs, you can go to the particular playlist and you can study from here. Thank you guys.
1. When was the Simon Commission formed? A. 1925. B. 1927. C. 1929. D. 1931. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. 1927. 2. What was the Nehru Report and when was it submitted? A. A report on Indian economy submitted in 1927. B. A report on Indian society submitted in 1928. C. A report on Indian Constitution submitted in 1929. D. A report on Indian education submitted in 1930. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. A report on Indian Constitution submitted in 1928. 3. In which year did Lala Lajpat Rai die while demonstrating against the Simon Commission? A. 1927. B. 1928. C. 1929. D. 1930. Choose the correct answer. Answer B. 1928. 4. When was the Purna Swaraj resolution passed at the Congress session in Lahore? A. 1927. B. 1928. C. 1929. D. 1930. Choose the correct answer. Answer C. 1929. 5. When was the civil disobedient movement launched? A. 1927. B. 1928. C. 1929. D. 1930. Answer D. 1930. 6. When was the civil disobedience movement suspended? A. 1931. B. 1933. C. 1935. D. 1937. Answer B. 1933. 7. When was the civil disobedient movement withdrawn? A. 1933. B. 1934. C. 1937. D. 1939. Answer B. 1934. 8. When was the Forward Bloc founded by Subhas Chandra Bose? A. 1931. B. 1933. C. 1939. D. 1942. Answer C. 1939. 9. Which date is celebrated as a day of deliverance by Muslim League? A. 22nd December 1938. B. 22nd December 1939. C. 22nd December 1940. D. 22nd December 1941. Answer B. 22nd December 1939. 10. When was the August offer made by Lord Linlithgow? A. 1936. B. 1939. C. 1940. D. 1942. Answer C. 1940. 11. When was the Tokyo Conference held and the Indian National Army formed? A. 1936. B. 1939. C. 1940. D. 1942. Answer D. 1942. 12. What was the CRIPS mission and in which year was it launched? A. It was a mission to investigate the Indian Constitution, launched in 1937. B. It was a mission to investigate Indian economy, launched in 1939. C. It was a mission to resolve the Indian independence issue, launched in 1942. D. It was a mission to investigate Indian society, launched in 1945. Answer C. It was a mission to resolve the Indian independence issue, launched in 1942. 13. What was the Quit India Resolution movement and in which year was it launched? A. It was a movement for Indian industry, launched in 1930. B. It was a movement for Indian education, launched in 1935. C. It was a movement for Indian independence, launched in 1942. D. It was a movement for Indian society, launched in 1945. Answer C. It was a movement for Indian independence, launched in 1942. 14. When was Lord Wavell's plan introduced? A. 1942. B. 1945. C. 1946. D. 1947. Answer B. 1945. 15. When was the Cabinet Mission Plan introduced? A. 1942. B. 1945. C. 1946. D. 1947. Answer C. 1946. 16. When was the Direct Action Resolution passed by Muslim League? A. 29th June 1946. B. 30th July 1946. C. 31st August 1946. D. 1st October 1946. Answer B. 30th July 1946. 17. Which day is known as the Day of Protest for Muslim League and was observed as Direct Action Day? A. 14th August 1947. B. 15th August 1947. C. 16th August 1946. D. 20th February 1947. Answer C. 16th August 1946. 18. When was the interim government formed? A. 26th October 1944. B. 26th October 1945. C. 26th October 1946. D. 26th October 1947. Answer C. 26th October 1946. 19. When was it announced that British government would leave India by June 1948? A. 10th January 1947. B. 20th February 1947. C. 15th August 1947. D. 26th January 1950. Answer B. 20th February 1947. 20. What was the Mountbatten Plan and in which year was it introduced? A. It was a plan for Indian education, introduced in 1945. B. It was a plan for Indian economy, introduced in 1947. C. It was a plan for Indian independence, introduced in 1947. D. It was a plan for Indian society, introduced in 1950. Answer C. It was a plan for Indian independence, introduced in 1947. 21. What was the Indian Independence Act and in which year was it passed? A. A law granting Indian independence, passed in 1945. B. A law granting Indian independence, passed in 1947. C. A law granting Indian citizenship, passed in 1950. D. A law granting Indian representation, passed in 1952. Answer B. A law granting Indian independence, passed in 1947. 22. When was Pakistan formed? A. 14th August 1945. B. 14th August 1946. C. 14th August 1947. D. 15th August 1947. Answer C. 14th August 1947. 23. When was Independence Day for India? A. 14th August 1947. B. 15th August 1947. C. 26th January 1950. D. 15th August 1950. Answer E. 15th August 1947. 24. When is Republic Day celebrated in India? A. 15th August. B. 26th January. C. 15th January. D. 26th August. Answer B. 26th January. 25. Who founded the Forward Bloc? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Subhas Chandra Bose. C. Jawaharlal Nehru. D. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Answer B. Subhas Chandra Bose.